Welcome to the ATS Library Organization tutorial, Working with Blackboard Learn. This video will provide an overview of Blackboard Learn, featuring the Seminary Library Organization. Included will be a synopsis of Blackboard Learn menu, locating organizations, an introduction to organizations and menu functions, and steps for creating a library sandbox content area. Ashland University uses Blackboard Ultra. This is an important distinction to know when using help pages. The main menu is consistent regardless of course or organization. What individual users may view is dependent on login credentials. The landing page, institution page, presents resources displayed according to user profile. This example is a view for faculty. Username identifies the profile information provided, some of which can be managed by the user, and all of which is confidential. The activity stream is a feed update. Information displayed is specific to user profile. Courses provides access to courses students are enrolled in or instructors are teaching, plus courses you may have access to view. Organizations list organizations you are a member of, can participate in, or are able to view. The calendar is a global calendar for all of your courses and organizations. Messages allow quick access to messages from courses and organization. Grades provide access to gradebooks and recently graded work in courses. Tools are Blackboard tools selected by IT and determined by user profile. Sign out is used to log out and exit Blackboard. We will be looking at organizations. The ATS Library site is currently private. It is available to the leaders. For quick access to frequently used organizations, click on the star located in the lower right-hand corner to indicate it is a favorite. It will immediately be moved to the top of your page. A random image will display with the organization unless the organization has a header in place, or a banner. The two main library sites, Library Faculty Resources and Library Student Orientation, use a header depicting the library building. Let's explore the Seminary organization. The site menu displays content areas original to all new organizational shells. Organization leaders and builders have access to additional tools at the top of the page, including adding menu items, reordering menu items, refreshing menus, and opening the full menu in a new window. When reviewing menu items already in place, it's possible to manage the menu display. Click on the circle to rename, hide, or delete any item in the menu. It's also possible to select and drag moving items. Boxes located to menu items provide additional information. For example, this content area has no content. Grades are not visible to users because there is a line through the box. An organization management menu is located at the bottom of the page. This is not visible to organization users. Tools available include customization, select teaching style, to look at the entry point, default content view, and to manage the banner on your site. Properties may be used to set site availability. Again, at this time, the organization is not available to users. Enrollment options give users the option to self-enroll in the organization. If they do so, they will be able to see announcements as they are posted. A breadcrumb menu is available at the top of the page. Organizations, leaders, and builders have access to additional display tools. They include Student Preview Mode. This provides a view of how students see the organization. Notice that only visible things are viewable. Site availability can be managed. Select to unlock and make it available. Edit mode can be toggled off and on. Turning off edit mode is a useful way to check links and site navigation. There is also an option to turn help off and on. These are prompts that will occur throughout the course. The prompts that show are specific to organization builders and leaders, helping you to manage building new content. When working with site content, menu options include Build Content, Add Assessment, Using Tools, and Partner Content. Generally speaking, most content area items, for example, creating new pages, work well in organizations. Assessment components are not recommended, and discussion board tools may need further review. The best way to become familiar with creating content within Blackboard Organizations is to experiment with using different content areas. This will help when making decisions concerning placement and presentation of information within modules. To build a practice or experiment content area, follow these steps. Please note that there already is a Sandbox Examples area. This is something we'll explore later. Click on the plus sign and add a content area. Name your content area. We want this to be hidden from users, so be sure not to put a check mark in Available to Users. Click Submit. The content area automatically displays at the bottom of the page. Select the Sandbox content area to begin building content. Notice that it's indicating that an item has been added to the course menu. To view a few selected examples of content, click on the Sandbox Examples link. Here you will see content items, blank page, a content folder, 2 video links, and a PDF link. Note that as I've scrolled through these, it is easy to just drag and reorganize. When edit mode is turned on, it's possible to edit content item areas. Select Edit and view the editor area available. It is possible to work with the text, bullet points, numbering, links, paragraphs, quotations, inserting tables, and adding content, including local files, which may be images or other files, organization files you may have access to, SlideShare presentations, and YouTube videos. Note that anytime you edit an item, you will see the success screen showing that the item has been edited. Turn edit mode off to explore how these content items appear to users. Content items display your text as is. No further action is required from the user. Blank pages mean you click to view. Content may be added. Content folders allow you to add additional information. Blackboard Videos is a link that will open in a new tab. This internet link will also open in a new tab. Organizational leaders have the option to decide if they open in a new tab or they open within the confines. The Blackboard tutorial handout is set to open in Blackboard. Select. It will either display here or users must click to open. One more item will be added to this examples page. This video will be available for users to review if you would like to do so at a later date. To leave the site, Select the X, and you return immediately to the institution page. Please feel free to contact me if you have any additional questions about this Blackboard tutorial.